It's a Brazilian word. It means bird. Bird. They call me Third. Bird. Third Newton. Look at her. Miss French. See. The vixen of Diddley. It's actually Vicar of Dibley. You try for what you want, I'll try for what I want.
That's funny.
Who the hell is that? That's Kyle. He's ugly. That's enough. You don't... Sorry. Well...
That was a matter of time.
You don't tell him he's ugly, huh? You don't do that. Apologise, huh? Tell him you're sorry. I'm sorry you're ugly. No. I apologise, Kyle. I'm sorry. I love you, Miss French. Don't say that. I love her. Talk to her properly, huh? Engage her in conversation. How old are you? No. You don't ask a lady her age. What year are you born? No. I love you. I know you love it. Stop saying it. I love you. All right, that's enough. That's enough. I'm gonna sing to her. There's no song. We're not doing a song. Hit the music. And I will always love you. Yes, I will always love you.
I love Birdie.
I think I've got a new boyfriend and it's a bird.
He's not real, Dawn.
I've never heard Dawn laugh like that yet in this competition. You made her do that, like the high, wow.
It could happen again. That's enough.
Well done.
I love you too, Jerry. That's enough.
Yeah. When you first walked in, I was thinking, oh, really? Puppet guy, creepy, right? But you were really funny and engaging. I think this show needs you. Brilliant. Both of you.
Uh-oh.
I agree. That is something quite unique. And you, even though you think I'm ugly bird...
You said it.
You are quite a nice-looking bird.
We're going to vote now. OK, well, look, it's an utter resounding yes from me.
Thank you.
It's a yes from Dawn.
I want to see it again, like now. Like right now. Which means it's a yes, man.
Thank you very much.
It's a yes. It's a yes from Jerry.
Uh-oh.
I agree. Like, I love puppetry done really well. But I'm going to give you a no for the insult, but it doesn't matter because you're coming back anyway.
Thanks, God.